Hello and welcome to episode 87 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to be talking about minor 7th chords, and I'm using a Neil Young song called Old Man as an example. He likes minor 7th chords a lot, does Neil Young, and this song especially really uses them throughout, and you can really hear the distinctive sound, and the nice thing is that they're really easy to play. If you know any minor chord, it's very easy to make it a minor 7th. So the tune starts out, has this very distinctive introduction. So the very first chord is a D minor 7th, right there, compared to a regular D minor, which would be like this. This is a D minor 7th chord, and if you're playing D minor 7th chord in the first position, this is a regular D minor 7th. On the B string, you just drop down your D to a C. So from the 3rd fret to the 1st fret. You hear that sound. It's a regular D minor 7th. So it's the first chord in the song. And he does this little hammer-on. And then also makes it actually a minor 9th chord by adding the open E string. But the main thing is that minor 7th sound. Moving to D major. Okay, the verses are pretty straight ahead, but then going into the chorus is another nice use of minor 7th chords. That there is a E minor 7th chord. That'd be a regular E minor chord like this. So that's a regular E minor, now with the 7th. To me, it just has a bit more color to it, to have that minor 7th. So if you're playing a minor bar chord, to make it a minor 7th, just drop down, like if I'm doing this E minor there, on the G string, instead of the 9th fret, playing the 7th fret. That's a minor 7th, that's a minor chord. Then it goes into the rest of the chorus. That there's an A minor 7th chord. So regular A minor, it's like that or like this. And here's minor 7th. There's another way to do it. There's actually a lot of ways you can play an A minor 7th chord. You play an regular A minor, like that, just lift up your ring finger, or whichever finger is on the G string, so the G string is everything. That's an A minor 7th, regular A minor 7th. And here it's just, the 7th is up an octave. So. Minor 7th, and then E minor 7th. So regular E minor chord, here's an E minor 7th chord.